The first thing you have to do is open your browser and go to videoproc.com. When the page is loaded, just click the free download button. Now you can save the installer file videoproc.exe. Just click save and the file will be saved. Once the file is saved, go to the place where you saved the file and just double click it and the install screen will appear. Here all you have to do is click on install. I'm not going to do that because I already have installed the program, but it's very easy to install. Just follow the instructions. When the program is installed, just open the program. The first window you will see, you can buy the Pro version if you want to, but you don't need it to download videos. You can use the trial version. Just click on Remind Me Later and then focus on the downloader. Just click the downloader icon. The new window will appear. You can see you have different choices to add a video. You can also download music. You can clear the entire screen or you can clear completed tasks. To add a video, we need a video link, so go to YouTube. You can choose a video, just click with the right mouse button, then choose for copy link address. You can close YouTube, you don't need it anymore. Just go back to the program and now click on add video. Next you have to click on paste URL and analyze. The video link will be analyzed. It takes a little bit of time to do that, but just be patient until the next window pops up. In this window you can choose the quality of the video you want to download. Once you selected the quality you want, just click on download selected video. Now you can see you have a couple of choices here. When you click on browse, you can choose the folder you want to save the video to. So just click select folder and now you can use the button download now, or you can use the white arrow. I'm just gonna click the white arrow. Now the video will be downloaded. Just wait until the video is downloaded. So you can download as many videos if you want with this program. There is no limitation, there is no watermark or something like that. When the video is downloaded, you can check it. When here appears reload, the video is downloaded. Now you can go to the place where you have saved the video and you can play it with the player you use or that you want to use. You can see we have downloaded the video and you can play it even when you are offline. So let me close that. So that is all. Just a little warning. Even when you use the free version, you can download from many sites. When you see a site playing a video, you can try to download it. There are many sites you can use. But remember one thing. Some videos or most of the videos are copyrighted. Use them only for personal use. Sharing copyrighted content without permission is illegal, so respect the creator and don't start sharing copyrighted videos. That was all for this video. Have a great time with downloading videos. See you next time.